Hey everyone, this is going to be a short video on how we can connect MySQL with Adminer, uh, which is an interface to view all your databases, which are located on MySQL server. So we are going to do this whole thing using Docker. So let's jump into the terminal. And just to show you guys, I do not have any images already on my and I don't have any containers previously running as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write docker run -p the ports for the MySQL container, uh, the name of the container, db, and next I'm going to create some of the environment variable. So MySQL underscore root underscore password, I'm going to set this password to root, so the username is root and the password is root as well. Next I'm going to create a database as well, just to show you guys, employee underscore db, and another database environment variable MySQL underscore user is equal to emp or whatever you want, and the password for this user MySQL underscore password is equal to emp 123. Okay, that's the password. Okay, and we are going to run this container in detached mode using MySQL 5.7 image. So as you can see, I do not have any images previously on my installed on my in my Docker you can say installation. So as soon as I'm going to hit enter, what this whole command is going to do, it's going to first of all pull this container from Docker hub repository or Docker repository, and then it's going to create a container using this whole information that we gave. So let's just press enter and let it do the magic. Unable to find image, obviously it's going to pull that from library. It might take us a few seconds, so just be patient and let it do whatever it's doing. Just a few more seconds, everyone. almost done here. Let it extract, and okay, so now if I write docker images, we have an image with of MySQL 5.7, and now if I do docker ps, we have a container, and the name of that container is, you can see, it's db. So next we are going to use this link this container with adminer. So first of all, similarly, we have to we'll write the command to pull the image of adminer, and then create a container from that image and link that container with MySQL container that we have just created. So we'll write docker run dash dash name, let's do it adminer dash db, and link this with our db container and run it on the port 8086. You can do 8080 as well, or whatever you like. Just to show you guys, we have options here. Run it in detached mode and use adminer image from the docker hub repository. Hit enter. Unable to find image locally, so it's going to pull that from the hub. Let it do, just give it a few seconds. It's going to be pretty quick, because you know, overall Docker is quite an efficient technology, and you know, it's really platform independent. You don't have to carry your dependencies. You can just, you know, write a few commands and all your setup is done. So it's kind of, you know, a great facility. Okay, so it's done. So I'm gonna write clear, and now if I do docker ps, we have two containers, and adminer dash db. So it's exposed on 8086. So if we minimize this and go to the browser and write local host colon 8086, so we have our adminer. So I remember we set the username to emp and the password to emp123. So if we log in, it's going to show all our database that we created, employee underscore db. So next you can, you know, click create a table, give you employee underscore info, you know, go on and create a few columns, name, job underscore title, give it some length, and save. So yep, select data. We don't have any data. You can go on and insert some data. For example, one John Doe, and he's an architect, for example. So save, and yep, we have our data. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's how we set up our MySQL with adminer. And you can, if you have any public IP or, you know, any domain, you can link that domain with this, and you'll have it accessible from anywhere. So it's pretty, you know, easy to do it, and it's great facility. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and be sure to subscribe, because that is what's going to motivate me for making more videos. So I'll see you in the next one.